I'm Joseph Shriver. I am the owner of Shriver Fine Finishes from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And I've been in business the last 8 years, basically since I first started walking and talking. I've been around a paintbrush. I used to think FrogTape was a product that only homeowners use. The crew that works with me, we have the argument, freehanding a wall or a line compared to masking it. You know, as good as I am at cutting it or other guys are at cutting in, when you use a brush, you just can't get that same precision. The clean crisp lines that FrogTape gave us was just something we couldn't duplicate with a brush or with any other tape. I have probably spent 10 times more on fixing mistakes of blue tape than I actually have spent on buying the blue tape. You can't do any worse than the blue tape anyways, so you may as well try something better. My crew and myself just realized that we need to start using this more often, and we haven't looked back. Using FrogTape, once you pull it up, you're done. You clean up, you go home to your families, you're not worrying about have to do touch-ups because the tape bled everywhere. We want the best results, and we've tested every tape that's on the market, and that's why we stuck with FrogTape. I use it because it's cheap insurance. I know that I don't have to worry about surfaces being pulled up, previous paint jobs coming off, and I can sleep at night knowing that there's that precision that we left behind. And homeowners know that, clients know that, my crew knows that, and you should know that too. I'm a self-proclaimed FrogTape addict.